Am I a naked girl yet? But this is a dress. I am obsessed with it. Definitely wear this. So this mesh top is calling my name, and I got it. Absolutely, I love it. I would wear this out in general. Anyway, hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Maria Fadi, the Maria Fadi on all social media platforms, and today I'm gonna get right into it because you came here for a reason, and if your reason was for the haul, you came to the right place. I got some stuff from, why did my brain just blank? I got some stuff from Naked. Jesus. I got a box. I did not know they were gonna send in a DHL box, but hey, it's here, okay? I'm gonna do a little bit of like poses so that they, you know, I can use this for my screenshot. So dress number one, this is like, I have 2 weddings confirmed for 2023. So because I have 2 weddings confirmed, I need some dresses, clearly. And I saw the gold version of this, I really wanted that one, but I think yellow on my skin is still really good. So I'm looking it up online. Hold on. Okay, so I'm looking up how to wear this on, like, it's like this. Okay, wait. Okay, so I'm looking it up online. I'm not figuring this out right now. It was kind of weird and bunching up in the neck weird. So you have to put your head through it like this, so it makes this shape, and then you take it and wrap it around. Like literally, either wrap it to here or you can leave it here. I think I'll wrap it one more time. So yeah, so literally this is the look. Hold on. I think the model had something like this. You could do that, or you could just leave it to the back, but this is a dress. I am obsessed with it. Definitely wear this to one of the 2 weddings that I have coming up soon. Definitely, this is going. This is absolute, yes, get it. All right. Okay, so I know this is a basic top. It really is a basic top, but the whole point is like basics are really essentials in my book. Like having basic tees and stuff like this are essential in your closet to really have a well-rounded closet. So I needed another one of these shirts. I got it. I wanted a really colorful pants. They fit beautifully. They fit amazingly. I love me a high-waisted pant. I mean, low waist, I don't hate it as much as I used to, but high waist now, oh my god. Okay, look, this one is another basic. Again, it's another basic, get with it. I had a brown crop top basic like this, and I wanted a black one. It was on sale. Black was 50% off. Okay, so this in itself is an outfit that I really like, and I always shop knowing how to pair items with what I buy in the setup. You know, the typical. Ooh. I really wanted something very colorful, and I don't have a blazer that's super colorful like this. I have many different versions. So this is the blazer, and clothing, they do have really good quality there. So this is the fit right now. I'm literally putting you guys on. Am I a naked girl yet? They always got a stance like this. It's always this. Girl yet? The stance, it's always the stance. It's always something like this. Okay. But yeah, blazer. This was a tailored slim blazer. I knew what I wanted when I went into it, and it's giving. It is very much giving. It's a little bit long, like it's a little bit longer length. I love that, but it's tailored. So if I were to actually like button it up, you see, hold on one second. If I can ever button this up, okay. So let's say I button up, right? Beautiful, we love her. She's doing what she's supposed to be doing and doing it well. Let's get into the next. So let me get unhooked here. Okay, so the next one, oh my god, okay. I got this mesh top. It literally was calling my name. So this mesh top was calling my name, and I got it. Why not? So I got this mesh top. I think it will look great with a tube top underneath it. It looks great with like a little bit of a hide and seek reveal going on. This is another one of the stuff that I got, and I think it's really good. No, my battery is about to die. Like, she's barely hanging on. I know she's barely hanging on, but I thought I was recording before. Then it was a battery. Then it's this. I just need to get better at getting a battery. I still haven't done it. Anyway, I'm gonna go into this really quickly. I got this mesh top. Like, the quality Love it. Great quality. That's something you can expect from Naked. The quality. This is very, like, it's very on trend right now, but I don't think it really matters whether the trend or not. I think it's always great to have something metallic in your closet. I think it's just a look, it's a vibe. It goes and transcends time as long as it's done well. This is kind of like a vest look, so I think it go with a lot of outfits. Okay, so this one is technically a cover up. It's a little bit short, I will be honest. It is a little bit short. I am 5'10", so a lot of things are short, but it is a little bit short, but it is a cover up, and I think it's super cute. Like, this is definitely giving me summer, spring vibe. Absolutely, I love it. I would wear this out in general, like this. You can put some tights underneath it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Some tights underneath it. Knee-high boots, like white knee-high boots or pink or orange knee-high boots. Oh my God. Peace. Camera, please. Hold on. Okay, so last of this. And it's just the pink blazer. I got the orange one and the pink one because I just really wanted to get some colorful. Again, they're tailored, so they like fit really well and all this stuff. But I don't know if this actually goes together. Now that I'm wearing this, I'm like, I thought this wasn't gonna work, but it actually does. I'm just trying to show you the outfit anyway, but yeah, so this is the blazer. This is the last piece of my order. This is it. Ah! Ah! Oh my God, so excited. This haul has been a very, very successful haul, if I do say so myself. But yeah, this has been a very good haul. Absolutely. Thanks for coming. Bye, my loves. Ah! We did it. We did it. Oh, we did it. I really appreciated your time. And if you've liked this video at all, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Tell me which other hauls you want me to do. Until next time, bye, my loves.